guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys don't know, I recently traveled to South Africa and I actually put a poll on Instagram asking if you guys wanted me to vlog and if you guys want me to buy South African makeup, and I think a lot of people just said yes, go for it. So I had to buy South African makeup. So yeah, if you want to know what all products I got from South Africa, which I'm super excited to show you guys, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first let me start with what are my thoughts about the makeup that's available at the drugstore. Of course, I don't think they have Sephora over there, but they have stores like Clicks, which is basically like a drugstore, but they have like makeup over there and they have quite a good variety of makeup. I think they have Essence, Yardley, Maybelline, Revlon, Rimmel, all those kind of drugstore brands. I'm not sure if they had NYX. Yes, they had NYX as well, but I only specifically picked makeup that was exclusive to South Africa and I didn't really bother picking up Essence and all that stuff. Surprisingly, Essence is very big over there and they have like foundations as well from Essence, which I don't think I've seen it here, or maybe they discontinued it here. I'm not too sure about that, but it was very big over there. They had Makeup Revolution also, and they had pretty good stuff from Makeup Revolution. But the most surprising part about the makeup that's available at the drugstore is the shade range. And oh my god, because South Africa is predominantly like a black country, they did not have a good shade range, which is so surprising. Like literally the Maybelline Superstay foundation, I think there are about 24 shades available in the US, but over there they had only 12 shades. Like that was so annoying. Like that too, like most of it were like more from the fair to like the medium range. They didn't even have like the darker range over there. And I was actually talking to one of the sales rep over there and she was telling me most of the foundations that are available over there are either like very cool toned, which doesn't even match, and they have so much trouble like picking up a foundation, which I don't know why a company have only 12 shades and not have dark shade ranges over there. Like that is ridiculous. So they basically had this local South African makeup company called as Sorbet, and that's predominantly what I bought. So the first thing that I got was this Sorbet Shell SPF 15 anti-aging foundation and serum. It reminds me of the Kiko Milano, and this actually had a pretty good shade range. I think I have to say this had about 20-25 shade range, which is pretty good, and they had like darker skin as well, and I could find mine. They had concealers, they had highlighters, eyeshadow palettes, not as much, which I just picked one, I think, if I'm not wrong. The next thing that I got is this Glow and Tell liquid highlighter. They do have testers in the store, so that was a good thing. This is how it is, and I'm going to see how it looks on my skin. It looks pretty good. Look at that. I'm just going to put a little bit of that, and oh yes, it's more like illuminating, and I wouldn't call this as an highlighter per se, but it says that dot over the cheekbones, temples, nose to give your skin dewy, healthy radiance. Yes, I think it says that you mix it with your primer or you mix it with your foundation to give that beautiful glow, which I think honestly it's going to work really well. And even for a person like me who doesn't like to be too dewy, oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Yes, I can probably use this under like a super matte foundation. Makeup there is pretty expensive, you guys. Like drugstore makeup, this one was, I have to say, like about $10 or $12, and totally I paid about like $130, $150 for this drugstore makeup, which was surprising. The next thing I got is this Yardley London. Do you guys remember like back in the day? I don't know, I think it's still available in India, but my uncle actually used to get from Dubai. He used to get this Yardley powder, and that's what I used to use like as a kid. I used to love the smell, and even the Yardley perfume actually. It's the same brand. They have like a makeup line over there, and this is quad, and this was honestly the only one that was more wearable. The other one, I don't think it was as wearable. They have matte and they have kind of more satiny kind of shade. So yeah, I think I can work with it. So I got this one. Next I got is this Way Out Lashes, which is lengthening and defining mascara, and that's how it looks. Yeah, I saw the tester in store. It looked pretty interesting, so I got that one. I got the Yardley blush as well, and this is in the shade Anna Apple. Looks pretty good, right? It looks actually lighter on the screen, but actually in person it's very like mauvey, dusty, earthy kind of blush, which is like my kind of blush. The next thing I got is by Yardley again, and I picked up this lipstick. It's a beautiful color, and that's why I wanted to pick this up. I'm going to swatch it and show you. Look at that. It looks so beautiful, just right up my alley, and ooh, I like it. And it's super creamy, you guys. I think it's going to be very comfortable on your lips. Then I also picked up this medium brown brow shaper and highlighter. But yeah, I just got this shade because I think this was the only one that was available as a eyebrow thingy. Then I also got this. I don't know what this is. By Sorbet, and I picked this lipstick up because I wanted to see how the lipsticks over there were. Again, this is in the shade bold. It says bold. It's more like a cherry kind of red color. So I'm going to swatch that and show you as well. It looks like it's super creamy. Can you see that? It's not matte for sure. Then I got is an eyeliner called as the Sorbet eyeliner, and it's a liquid eyeliner. So yeah, I can test that out for sure. Then I picked up a couple things. So this is the Eucerin Very High Protection 50+ Sensitive Protect. I got this as a sunscreen. I just wanted to test it out. Another interesting thing that I actually picked up is this Cell Tone gel, which is a snail extract gel. Now, if you guys are aware, like Korean skincare is very high on snail extract. Like they have a lot of snail extract gel products available. So this is what I picked up. Apparently it's like a big thing over there. It says it's good for dark marks and what's that, blemishes. So then you can use a Cell Tone gel. I'm going to put it to test, you guys. I am going to put it to test. I was like so intrigued by this, so I wanted to pick it up. The next thing that I got are a couple of like face mask kind of things. So this is the Sorbet Get That Feeling Salon Skin Specialist Care Daily Skin Polish Powder. Basically, it has like micro exfoliates that instantly brightens with the salicylic and the rice powder, which is good. It has salicylic acid in it, so yeah, I'm going to put it to test and see. Next I got is this. Now this is something that I heard my niece who lives in South Africa, she was telling me about this one, so I picked this up. It's a Yardley Oatmeal Rejuvenating Moisturizer, and again I might just put it to test and see. Then I got a couple of like face masks. So they had like if you buy 3 you get 3, so I wanted to pick like one of each. So I got this one, which is like a firming face mask, this one which is like an energizing face mask, this is a lifting face mask because I need that. Then this one is for the legs. That is the, you remember those baby kind of thing where the skin peels off? I have used that one before, for like a dupe version of that, and it worked pretty well for me. So I thought I might just put this to test and see if it works. And it has hyaluronic acid, so that's pretty good. Then the under eye mask, which is a must for me. And then they have is this smoothing serum or brightening mask, which is awesome. So yeah, these were the products that I picked, which honestly, you guys, I feel like I picked a lot, but I initially actually had picked up a lot, but then, I was going way overboard. Like I was picking 2 foundations and all that stuff, and I'm surprised I didn't pick up a concealer. You know what? I probably didn't pick up a concealer because I didn't get something of my skin tone, so I was like, I'd rather just skip. And they had a powder, but that was not again for my skin tone, so I didn't want to pick up things randomly because I can't even return it. So yeah, I just picked these products up. So let me know if you guys are interested in like a full face using these products. So if you guys ever happen to go to South Africa and you guys are interested, you guys can pick these up. Also, another thing that I do want to mention specifically is that the vlog is coming out very soon, hopefully, if my husband edits it on time. But other than that, let me know if you guys are interested specifically on a video about what things you should pack and take to South Africa and what you should expect when you go to South Africa. It can be like a story time if you want to, but yeah, you guys, South Africa has been one of my best trips, and I cannot stop telling people about how awesome that trip was. I have been to Turks and Caicos, Maldives, Paris, some amazing places. But you guys, this although was a very short trip, and I completely regret going just for 5 days, which if you guys ever want to travel to South Africa, I highly suggest you guys to go for at least 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks. It was such an amazing trip. We had so much fun, and the Kruger National Park was amazing. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then let me know. I can like do an entire video dedicated for just South Africa as to what you should take, what you shouldn't take, what are the things that actually helped me, maybe like an itinerary, like how you should plan your things, and I can probably just mix everything up together and do a video on that. So I'm going to stop right there, and hopefully you guys like this video and you guys want to watch me using all these products. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell button so you don't miss my future videos, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.